Hi friends, good morning. Today we're going to see a very exciting project, cab booking app using Java and MySQL as the backend. And it uses Google Maps. So because it's all location specific, let's get going. It's a mini project, mind you, so we'll not have all the bells and whistles. Minimal set of tables. So this is the database, Cabriolet, and we have the cab table. Let me just expand this to show you the columns. So there you go. Again, not perfectly normalized, but enough for the job. The customer's date of birth, gender, and other credentials. Similarly, the driver personal details, contact information, and the license number, importantly. And finally, the ride. So who is the customer and who is the driver, source and destination, the booking time and amount, and status. So essentials over there. Now coming to the front end, it's developed in Java, HTML, CSS, JSP, Java. Eclipse is the IDE chosen for this. You can use NetBeans or any other IDE. So in the web content of the project, we can see all the JSP files. JSP files are just HTML with a little bit of Java code embedded as necessary. If you have a look at this homepage, you can see input type text, divs and anchor, HTML head body. So familiar HTML stuff, you can completely redesign this as per your interest and theme that suits the company. So registration, login, and then source and destination, and then booking the different variety of cabs that are on offer. So let's get going. To run the project, just right click on the project over here in Eclipse and say run on server. This runs on Apache Tomcat, so you should have that as well. Okay, so that's up and running. Step one will be to register a new user account. Let's say Farhan. Okay. Phone number will be the login credentials thing. Okay, the registration is done with, guys. So we can just go to the backend and verify as a developer whether things are going according to plan or not. Yes, Farhan Akhtar is there right over there. And so we can log in with this particular phone number as the username and the password. Password is hashed for security reasons. So even the system admin cannot see the password. Okay, so it's time to log in as the customer. So Farhan's phone number and the password. Yes, we are in. Guys, so this is the dashboard for the user after login. They can see all the variety of cabs that are available. We can go for micro mini or SUV. You can check out your profile account and all the rides you have taken so far. This needs to check out. No rides yet, so obviously it's gonna be empty. Let us give this a shot. Book a ride. Point A to B. Let us see how this fares. Let us get into Hyderabad city and then specify our locations from the source to destination. MGBS bus stand to Malakpet. So this is the path A to B. This is our source to destination, guys. Let us have a rough estimate. Yes, 3 kilometers and 35 rupees and 12 minutes time. That's let's see what's happening in the backend. We have the customer details, and we have only one cab over here, and then have some drivers. Yes, one driver registered in Hyderabad city, and then we should look at the rides.